Contrary to popular belief and every Katherine Heigl movie, Love and Attraction are less like a romance novel and a whole lot more like a psychology journal.
Stop it! It's not shooting, honey. Oh, God!
Take notes, because here's what science says are the features that attract people the most. Lip service. Results from a study at Manchester University found that lips are a woman's most attractive physical attribute. And when you think about ladies like Angelina Jolie and Scarlett Johansson, it's a tough point to argue.
My favorite part of my body? I like my lips.
For extra credit, pink and red lipstick colors were found to hold a man's attention even longer. When in doubt, go red. It's a classic, and it works. Eye contact. Eyes may be the window to the soul, but they're also the door to keeping someone's attention. Turns out your pupils dilate a little more when you're attracted to someone. The kicker? People are apparently super attracted to dilated pupils. Lesson learned, always go on first dates after an eye doctor appointment. Pearly whites. Surprise! Research suggests that straight white teeth are more attractive. We shouldn't even have to tell you this, but brush, floss, and visit your dentist regularly. Good dental hygiene provides one of those subconscious signals of health and fertility that evolution so craftily tucked into our DNA to help us survive. Thanks, evolution. Now pay for our Invisalign. It's not cheap. High notes. High-pitched voices in women are apparently sexier, according to a study conducted by University College London. The researchers theorized it's because men associated higher-voiced women with having a smaller and more attractive body size. Of course, we know the truth. Helium fetish.
Am I doing this right?
Of course, that doesn't really account for Hollywood's supply of gorgeous, deep-voiced stars, like Catherine Zeta-Jones, for example.
I have had the proper instruction since I was 4.
Confidence is key. Being confident can vastly increase your sex appeal. Studies have found that confident people are more apt to send off signals of interest. Send more signals out and you'll get more signals back in return. Just don't make it obvious or desperate.
It must be my sexuality, because I am so very sexual.
Even if you're not the hottest person in the room, having the mindset that you are can help make a better impression than a model with zero presence. Facial symmetry. What might be the most important feature, according to researchers, is something we can do very little about: facial symmetry. This is when the left side of your face looks exactly like the right side of your face, and vice versa, with things matching up perfectly from one side to another. Most celebrities and models have strong, symmetrical faces. You can't really change your facial symmetry unless you go under the knife, and we don't suggest trying it. And remember, there are no shortage of asymmetrical hunks and hotties out there too. Hips don't lie. Apparently, both Shakira and Sir Mix-a-Lot were right. Researchers found that men preferred larger hip-to-waist ratios than smaller ones, so go ahead and flaunt those curves. Seeing red. A study of dress color stereotypes included 2 photos of the exact same woman. Posing the same way in both, she wore blue in one picture and red in the other. According to the results, the photo of the woman in red was rated as more attractive and sexually desirable. Furthermore, the men of the study indicated they would be more willing to date the scarlet-clad woman and even spend more money on her. Blue never stood a chance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like the one you just saw, and leave us a comment to let us know what features attract you the most.